welcome back to our newly renovated bathroom, guys. And oh my goodness, I must have to say I myself am surprised at the transformation, because I mean, if you saw the before of this bathroom and now looking at what we have here, okay guys, let's bring it back. Let's bring it back from the start, guys, because this is going to be from the start. And as you guys can see, this is exactly how this bathroom was before we decided to renovate. As you guys saw from the intro, it was just a basic powder room. There was no lighting, so the first thing we decided to tackle was the lighting. We decided to put like kind of above ceiling lights, and also as you guys can see, I was really like, when it came to this project, I really knew I wanted a very like dramatic, like very like obvious, I don't know, color in this bathroom, but I didn't want to go with a black paint. So at last I decided to go with this wallpaper, and let me tell you guys, this wallpaper, it's so freaking gorgeous. I feel like this wallpaper just added that like that drama I wanted in this powder room. As you guys can see, it's a mixture of black and gold. Oh my god, like when my contractor finished, as you guys can see right here, I decided to put it in 2 walls, and it was just perfect. And of course, for products we're using in this bathroom, it's from a brand called Awesome Home, xbrite.com, guys. And let me tell you, if you're in the process of renovating your bathroom, if you need idea, inspiration, definitely check out this brand, because they have assortment of anything bathroom. I mean, from tops to mirrors to vanities to lights, anything you want, guys. And the fact that their products are a very nice luxury, like luxury quality. As you guys can see, we went ahead and we opened up the smart toilet, and over here, look at this floating shelf. As a matter of fact, when I was looking at renovating our powder room, I wasn't sure if I should do like a standing vanity or if I should do a floating shelf, and at the end of the day I decided to go with a floating vanity. And also, of course, the floating vanity is black, but I absolutely love this gold detail on it. Look at that, like pull out, the fact that it's also a very nice soft close, right? I absolutely am in love. So by now, my contractor, he already put the toilet, he put the floating shelf, and of course, next thing he's gonna go ahead and put on the mirror and also the lights. And I'm just so happy with the way this bathroom transformed. So this is, and I love the fact that also the floating shelf has a lot of storage space. So that means if I want to store maybe some toiletries, toothpaste, maybe toilet paper, maybe hand towel, hand soap, hand lotion, anything, guys. So as you guys can see, I wish like the way videos are edited is as fast as they are. Like this renovation took a few days, but as you guys can see, just while editing, it took literally less than 3 minutes for you guys to see the start to finish of the renovation. And over here, we're going to quickly go ahead and style the bathroom. As you guys can see, I just, I wanted this to not like, I don't know how to explain it, guys. Like, I wanted a lot of drama, but not a lot of products. So as you guys can see, I'm going ahead to put on some towels. I have this gorgeous black towel right here just to tie in with the whole bathroom. So I added my towel, and over here I'm adding some hand soap, some hand lotion. This right here, oh my goodness, I love these two containers right here. It just adds that very nice luxury touch to the bathroom. You guys can see it's like night and day, and I would say I'm just so happy with the way this bathroom renovation turned out. And when I was thinking of renovating this bathroom, guys, I didn't want it to be like basic. Of course, this is a half bath, so basically this is going to be bathroom 1 of 4, guys, because I mean we have 4 bathrooms in this house, but for our first bathroom renovation we decided to start with the powder room, which is also a half bathroom, guys. And oh my goodness, I mean, when I was planning on the colors to go for this particular bathroom, I knew I wanted something very bold and powerful. I didn't want to do anything like okay, basically. So I decided to go with a very nice like statement wallpaper. As you guys can see, like, can we just take a moment and look at that wallpaper? Oh my goodness, I mean, I was kind of skeptical when I saw this wallpaper on Amazon. I was like, I'm not sure if it's going to be too much, but listen guys, I am obsessed. Like, I feel like this wallpaper just gave this whole bathroom the character it needed. I mean, a powder room is supposed to be like one of a kind, basically. And I want to also use this opportunity to say thank you to Awesome Home for partnering with me for this first bathroom renovation, guys. I mean, if you're considering renovating your bathroom, guys, you definitely need to check out this brand, because they deal with all things bathroom and home. So let's say you want to renovate your bathroom, or you're shopping for furnitures for the bathroom, for your tub, your bathtub, your vanity, your mirrors. Oh my goodness, they have amazing selection of products for the bathroom that I was so confused. Like, I'm the type of person that I already know what I want, but then it's always very difficult to kind of confuse me, guys. So I would say when I went to the website, I was so confused because they had a lot of beautiful things, but then I'm so happy that at the end of the day, after much contemplation, I decided to go with this gorgeous mirror right here. Oh my god, this mirror is so pretty. Of course, I wasn't looking for a basic mirror, guys. I wanted a mirror with character, so I decided to pick up this mirror. And the fact that it comes with a light, as you guys can see, it's lighted, and also you can either use it as a horizontal, right, or you can use it vertically, because I wanted the length of the mirror to be all the way up. And I absolutely love how this mirror tied the whole bathroom together. And also I have this gorgeous 4-piece light right here. Oh my gosh, like, the lights are so unique. I wanted something very unique, something you can't find everywhere on the internet. So I was so happy when Awesome Home reached out, guys, because they have unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. It took me a while to finally decide on the kind of vanity I wanted. I didn't know if I wanted like a floating vanity like this one, or if I wanted like a standing vanity. But then at the end of the day, I'm so happy that I decided to go with the floating vanity, and I absolutely love it. I also love the fact that it comes with the stone, right? Because of course, before I decided to work with this brand, I was checking out other like websites for floating shelf, and most of them only came with the body, they only came with the cabinets. They didn't come with the stone. So I love the fact that this one came with a stone, and also it came with a backsplash. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love it. Look guys, it also comes with a drawer. I mean, you can store your toiletries or whatever it is you want to have in your powder room. You can definitely store them here. For me, I would say maybe some air fragrances, some candles, some hand lotion, some hand soap, you know, and all those good stuff. That's what I would definitely be putting in here. And also, of course, towels, you know, hand towels. So it comes with two, look at this, guys. So it comes with 2 levels of cabinet storage. I mean, guys, if you know me well, you know I love anything with gold on it. So this pull out handle right here, I love the fact also that it's very, very unique. Of course, over here I have my hand towel holder, absolutely in love. And of course I have my towel, and over here, as you guys can see, I have my faucet. I actually ended up ordering 3 different faucets so that I would be able to decide on which one to go with the bathroom. And I love the fact that this one, it's kind of the same gold finish with the mirror and also the what is it called, the towel hanger, and also my vanity pull out. Everything is all in the same gold finish, which I absolutely love. Like, oh my gosh, guys, I'm just so crazy about this wallpaper. This wallpaper is everything and more, guys. I mean, it's everything and more. And the way it feels on the hand, woo! This actually came in a set with the towel hanger and also the tissue holder and the towel hanger right here, which I'm going to show you guys in a bit. But moving on, I have my smart toilet also from Awesome Home, guys. So I have my vanity, I have the mirror, I have my above vanity light, and also this toilet. Oh my goodness, guys, this of course is a smart toilet. As you guys can see, in our previous home we had a smart toilet and I was so in love with that toilet, guys. So of course I knew I was gonna, you know, of course, bring in some smart toilets in this new home. So it comes with a remote control. As you guys can see, we have the one at the back and also the one on the front. And one of the amazing things I love about this toilet right here is the fact that it has a heated seat. Of course, this is brand new, guys, never been used. So so I love the fact that it has a heated seat, so that way, especially now that the weather is somewhat cold, it's not even somewhat, especially now that the weather is very cold, guys, this right here is perfect. So that way, when you sit on it, you know, the seat is automatically warm. And of course, it has different controls. We have the front wash. So of course, when you do maybe number 2 or number 1, it has a nozzle that comes out with the water, so that way you're able to wash down there. So it has the front wash, and also it has the rear wash. It has air drying, and then of course when you want to flush it, all you just want to do, you hit the flush, and look, guys, it automatically flushes. I didn't want the wallpaper to take over the whole bathroom, guys, so I decided to just do wallpaper on this wall and also this one. So this was bright white, guys. So when my contractor came and we were trying to figure out what to do to this wall, hubby actually came up with this idea. As you guys can see, we have some panel. So our contractor basically just put up some panel, panel right here, and also he connected some lights into the panel. And let me tell you guys, when I came home and I saw my husband's idea on this particular wall, I was mesmerized. I was so happy because, like, this is so unique, you know. Also the fact that the contractor added some lights into it, it took it from just a basic, you know, panel accent to something really nice. And of course, for me personally, as a woman, I had to add my touch. Since hubby came up with this idea, I also decided to kind of look for something to do in the middle, as you guys can see. So I have this towel hanger right here, and also I have some black towel to also tie in the whole bathroom vibe. And as you guys can see over here, I have this frame right here. I was looking for the perfect frame. I was looking for the perfect frame for this area right here, and then when I saw this on Amazon, I was like, yes, like this is gonna be perfect for this space. And you guys, let me know what you think, because I feel like for some reason I just love this wall right here. This is the accent wall with the panel, and we have the towel hanger. Of course, this wall was very empty, guys, so I decided to add this frame on it, and the frame also comes with a black and white and the frame also comes with a black and gold accent to tie in with the bathroom. And oh my goodness, guys, I am in love with the way this bathroom came together nicely. And of course, you can definitely check out my description box for the list of things you guys can see in this bathroom, and definitely look out for our master bathroom. I believe that project should be coming up probably in January or February. Like, I cannot wait to get on our master bathroom, guys. That's like the next project we have going on in this house towards maybe January or early February. So fingers crossed, guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys were inspired. I hope you got some ideas from this bathroom renovation, and of course, till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.